Hey, healthy, wealthy family, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every fitness enthusiast should know: active recovery. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, active recovery can make a huge difference in your muscle repair and overall performance. Stick around and let's dive into how it works and why it's so important for your body. What is active recovery? So, what exactly is active recovery? Unlike complete rest, active recovery involves performing low-intensity exercises on your rest days. This could be things like light walking, yoga, swimming, or cycling at a leisurely pace. The goal here is to get your body moving, but not in a way that adds more strain to your muscles. Instead, it promotes blood flow, helps deliver nutrients to your muscles, and aids in flushing out waste products like lactic acid. How active recovery aids in muscle repair? One of the main benefits of active recovery is its ability to speed up muscle repair. After a workout, your muscles experience small tears, which is a normal part of building strength, but they also accumulate waste products like lactic acid. By engaging in active recovery, you increase blood circulation, which helps deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Improved circulation means your body can remove those waste products more efficiently, helping reduce muscle soreness and allowing your muscles to repair and recover faster. So instead of feeling stiff and sore for days, you'll bounce back quicker and feel ready to take on your next workout. Preventing injury through active recovery. Another key benefit of active recovery is injury prevention. When you engage in low-intensity movement, you're helping to keep your muscles and joints mobile. This reduces stiffness and increases flexibility, both of which can help you avoid injuries during your next intense workout. Think of active recovery as maintenance for your body. By keeping everything moving smoothly, you're less likely to experience strains or tears from tight muscles or overworked joints. Plus, it helps your body stay in tune so you can continue progressing without unnecessary setbacks. Boosting performance with active recovery. Active recovery also plays a crucial role in boosting performance. When you allow your muscles to recover properly, you're not just repairing damage, you're also preparing them for the next challenge. With less muscle soreness and stiffness, you can go harder in your next workout, improving your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. By consistently incorporating active recovery into your routine, you're giving your body the time it needs to rebuild stronger. Over time, this leads to improved muscle function, better mobility, and faster recovery times, all of which contribute to better performance in your workouts. Active recovery options. So, what are some good options for active recovery? Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Walking or light jogging. Perfect for getting your blood flowing without too much exertion. 2. Swimming. The buoyancy of the water helps reduce impact on your joints while still giving you a great workout. 3. Yoga or stretching. Helps improve flexibility and mobility while calming your mind. 4. Cycling at a relaxed pace. Great for cardiovascular health and circulation without overworking your muscles. These activities are gentle on your body and keep your muscles moving, which helps promote circulation, flexibility, and muscle repair. You can choose the type of active recovery that best fits your lifestyle and fitness level. How often should you do active recovery? Now, you might be wondering, how often should you incorporate active recovery into your routine? It's generally recommended to have at least 1 to 2 active recovery days per week, depending on how intense your workouts are. On days where you feel sore, fatigued, or just need a break, opt for active recovery instead of total rest. It's a great way to keep your body moving without overdoing it, and you'll be setting yourself up for success in your next workout. Final tips and takeaways. To sum it up, active recovery is a powerful tool for improving muscle repair, preventing injury, and boosting performance. Whether you're walking, swimming, or stretching, staying active on your rest days helps your body recover faster, reduce soreness, and get back to feeling strong and ready to go. Thanks for tuning in, healthy, wealthy family. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your fitness buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Remember, it's not just about how hard you train, it's also about how well you recover. Stay active, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.